Alright, this morning we're going to take you around the Cove Cafe. It's a wonderful quiet area for adults. It is great for reading. Lots of different areas to sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee. So once again, this is going to be the Cove Cafe. Let's take you inside. As you can see in here, we've got some very quiet areas. Throughout the day, they change the offerings for the food. For those that didn't bring reading materials, they've got magazines. Wonderful barista. Good morning. All right. Nice big screen. Tell us where our position is. Oop, I think that is us on our way back to Texas. So we're going pretty fast. Looks like 21 knots. Wind directly across the bow. And wind says to be 2. So apparently it is a very quiet day at sea. So obviously this was where I worked for almost a month or so, a couple months for post-Irma. This is our home up here in Jacksonville. And of course our second home's at Disney right over here. And then our getaway home's obviously Port Canaveral to get on the ships. So this is the staircase up to the concierge area from the Cove Cafe. And as you can see, it's decorated over here for Christmas. Once again, very wonderful quiet area, and they have, if I can get a dip down, they have cigars. Yes, they do. So once again, a little bit more reading areas. And this is our wonderful conclusion of the Cove Cafe. Very awesome.